Hey you guys, it's Miriam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 essential items you need for an ultimate wash day, okay? But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I have a new video on my channel. All right, so let's get started. The first item I believe that you need, sis, okay? You really need this for wash day, especially if you have low porosity hair. And definitely I have low porosity hair. My daughter has low porosity hair. You really need a thermo hot head cap, okay? So here's the cap. This is amazing. All right, you guys, it is about, I think, 40 or 50 bucks. It has flax seeds in it. And so what you're gonna do is heat it in the microwave for 3 minutes, no more than 3 minutes. And you're gonna just reverse it, so a minute and a half on one side and then a minute and a half on the other side. And then you're gonna use a plastic cap. So once you have your deep conditioner and your hair mask in there, you're gonna then put that over it, then put the hot head on it. I would say you need at least 30 minutes. Again, us low porosity girls, we have to have some type of heat to make sure that the product is penetrating in our hair shafts, as well as in our scalp. Again, we don't want the product just sitting on there because then it's pointless and we're wasting money on the products and it's not doing its job. And so this has really helped. They sent me the Mommy and Me kind of bundle. So my daughter has one, I have one, and we use this every week for deep conditioning. And I tell you guys, her hair starts growing more. My hair started to grow a lot, and I just really can tell a difference in our hair texture and how manageable it is. I believe since before we never used this, I would just use a plastic cap and or just a plastic cap or a plastic bag. And this has been a game changer. So regardless if you have low porosity hair, I still believe that using some type of heat is gonna really make your wash day and just your deep conditioning process that much better. So sis, you gotta have this deep conditioning cap, okay? The next product you need is probably kind of like a given, but I'm still gonna just say you need some type of detangling brush. So again, I have the Pattern Beauty brush as well as the Curl Mix detangling brush. They have a A to Z, I believe this is the A to Z one, but Curl Mix kind of has one as well. So I use either or brush when I am doing my wash day and just pulling the products through my hair. Again, I will link the video I did of the 10 things you must have in your natural hair toolkit. I will link that video above so you can check that out. But you gotta have some type of detangling brush. Again, it's gonna help you pull the product through. I know some people love using their hands. I do that as well. But again, it's nothing like having a nice brush when you have your curls and bringing the product through to make sure that it's really in each part of your hair. As well as some type of wide tooth comb. So this is like all one. So you need some type of detangling tool, if you will. So a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. Sis, you really need one, okay? I also use a Demi brush. I don't have it with me right now, but those are 2 to 3 brushes that I'll rotate through, and it just makes it so much better. Detangling my daughter's hair, again, she has more of a coarse, kinkier texture. It just helps with that. Putting the deep conditioner in, shampooing, that detangling brush is a lifesaver when, you know, doing wash day. Next essential you need for wash day is some hair clips. You have to have some type of hair clip, all right, for wash day. Again, with, you know, depending on what hair type you have, and I don't really like the hair type at all because we all have beautiful hair and different hair textures. But I found even with my hair, and I have more of a softer curl pattern and just hair density. My daughter has again a little more thicker hair. It just really helps using clips when I am deep conditioning her hair and shampooing just the whole wash day when I part her hair in 4s basically. So I'll part it down the middle, part it on the side, and take each section and work it in, right? Work the shampoo in, work the shampoo in, work the shampoo in, work the shampoo in, and then I go in with the conditioner, just a light conditioner. Once I work that through, then I bring her from, because we wash her hair in the sink or sometimes the shower, but that can be really messy. So then I'll go ahead and apply the deep conditioner on her hair, and that's always gonna be 4 sections. It's gonna make it much more manageable. Also feel like when, again, I'm applying product, I really feel that it's working and it's throughout her hair. instead of, again, just being in one big, you know, all her hair together. I like when it's like separated. The sectioning makes it way easier. And then do it in 2 twists or a braid, and then just clip it. And then I would go to the next side, clip it, clip it. So then when it's done, I would rinse it out section by section, and it just, again, makes it, it's a time saver. It makes it manageable for me, and it makes it manageable for her. There's no fussing, so it just works. You gotta have some type of hair clips, whether they're big and or the small ones. It just really helps. Again, when I'm in the shower, I like to pull my hair up a little bit, and I have a clamp in the front, and I'll make sure I'm, you know, shampoo in the back. Okay, so my husband and my daughter are making a cake, so yeah. All right, so the next product you need is some type of like scalp massager. So I have this one from Baby Bliss. I got it from Sally Beauties. It is not the one, I forgot what it's called. I think it starts with a V, the one that vibrates. I don't have that one, but this one works for me, again, and my daughter. It just really gives you a nice scalp massage. You guys, again, you can use your fingers, but this just really works. I feel like these little pieces here really help, you know, lift up any buildup, or if you have that itch in the back, like my head is itching right now, you know, you're able to use this, and it just really helps massage it in. So I use this before going in. So depending if you pre-poo, if you know, oil some of your hair, oil your scalp, then you can go in with this, or if you don't do that, you can also go in with a scalp massager before shampooing your hair, or while, either or, whatever, you know, works for you. This is gonna really help. Again, with us low porosity girls, and I'm gonna say this over and over and over, we gotta make sure our scalp is clean, and digging your scalp with your hands is not ideal. Obviously, you don't want to do that because that can really damage your scalp, and or leaves in cuts and things like that. So you want to use some type of tool that's safe. And this just, again, helps. It feels so good. My daughter's always like, oh, Mom, please keep doing it. It feels good. So this just really works. It helps open up my pores and get ready for any product that's going to be able to go in. So you need some type of scalp massager, okay? The next product, which is, again, given, you gotta have your favorite shampoo and conditioner, or shampoo and hair mask or deep conditioner. And so my favorite lately, you guys, have been the Curl Mix Pure Aloe Vera shampoo. So their clarifying shampoo, as well as their pure grapeseed conditioner. It's a hydrating conditioner which has amazing slip, you guys, thebomb.com. You gotta have some type of shampoo and conditioner, but I always say go with your favorite one. So whether you're starting your natural hair journey, or you're a product junkie and, you know, that type of thing, always try to pick out your products beforehand. That's what I found helps me, because I do have so many products. It can be very overwhelming, and if you can relate, let me know down in the comments, because I get sometimes overwhelmed by like literally looking at all my products and figuring out what am I going to use today. And so what I found is things that are working, stick to those things, right? Stick to those products. There's nothing wrong with if you're being sent a product or a collection, you want to try it out, but have those holy grails, if you will, your go-to items, shampoos, conditioners, leave-in, sprays, all of that. And so lately I've been really loving these two. For us low porosity girls, I think it's ideal to shampoo twice. So you want to use a clarifying shampoo first, just to help with that buildup on your scalp, and then go in with a moisturizing shampoo. And lately, you guys, I've used this a lot. I was sent this TGIN, their new rose water collection, over a month ago, and I have a review video on that as well. So I'll put that on the side of here of this video. This, I don't know if it's the rose water or the acai berry, I'm not sure, but it works for both me and my daughter's hair. And that's very rare that I find a product that really works for both of our hair, because we have different just textures in general. But this really cleans my scalp. It doesn't feel stripped. It's moisturizing, it's hydrating. So I always go with the clarifying shampoo, and then I'll go with the moisturizing shampoo. And so again, this has been my go-to conditioner lately. I really enjoy this conditioner. And so sometimes I'll do a conditioner, and then other times I'll do just a hair mask. I'll shampoo and go straight to a hair mask or a deep conditioner. It depends. But this has been one of my favorites, and it's super affordable. It was like $9 or $10. A split end repair mask by Eden Body Works. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Really, really nice. So I like this. I don't think it has protein, Don't quote me on that, but it's just a nice pick-me-up conditioner. So yeah, that's it, you guys. You need, I think, these 5 essentials. It's just gonna help you have that ultimate wash day and really help with your natural hair regimen, which that can be a whole nother video of how I create my natural hair regimen and how I stick with it so that I can see results, and also just make sure my hair is staying healthy and that I am, again, seeing results and my hair is growing. So I think it's key. If you're new natural, welcome to the club. But you gotta have, I think, some essential tools to really help with the wash day and make it easier for you, and you know, if you have children or just you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found these tips really valuable. Again, I'm always trying to add value to you guys in some way. But again, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Also follow me girl on Instagram. All right, it's Mielle_. Again, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.